Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Shibadoge on your Trust Wallet mobile app. One thing you need to note first of all is this Shibadoge is mainly built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's built there, it's founded there, and you must have Ethereum to be able to perform transactions and to also swap the coin once you've gotten it. The website of interest is coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. So what we're going to do now on this site is to simply scroll down to where we have its about. The about does contain its here we are. It does contain its Ethereum address. So you simply click on this copy icon right here. Once you click on this, you minimize, open up your Trust Wallet mobile, and once Trust Wallet is opened, simply click on the browser icon. Like I said before, make sure you have Ethereum. Open up your Uniswap, and once Uniswap is opened up, at the top right corner of the screen you have the login panel, where you simply use this power on and off switch to simply connect or disconnect your wallet. And once that's done, click on select token, search name or paste address, and paste the address you just copied. So paste, and we have Shibadoge. Okay, I understand. And now simply enter an amount for it, 0.001. Let's see how many dollars that's worth. $1.82 is equivalent to a whole lot of Shibadoge. It's equivalent to a lot. As you can see here, the gas fee for this transaction is $4.83. So you can simply just click on swap, confirm swap, and the transaction is done and completed. So guys, if you have any questions concerning how you can buy yourself the Shibadoge on your Trust Wallet, comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.